All right. Hi there. We are in front of the new Brinkley Model Z 2680. Again, new model for this year. And I really like it. And let's go see why.
We are here at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show and in Tampa, and we're going to share some videos that we did of some rigs, and yeah, it's been a great show so far, and we've had a lot of fun.
And honestly, we're only here a couple days. We're not going to do the amount of floor plans that we normally do or the amount of manufacturers, but we are going to bring you some good stuff.
Absolutely. So yeah, get ready to check it out, and we'll see you on the road.
For under 30 feet, I think this is well thought out. So we're going to have one big open seating area, living, dining room, kitchen. And I really like how they have the seating right next to each other and the TV is across, so everyone has a good view. You also have this sliding desk dining table that pulls out.
Yep.
The two stools that can go on either way.
Yep.
There's some pin storage in here for your utensils.
Yep.
More utensils. Got a nice full size oven. Alright, it's not a tiny oven, it's a full size oven. Plenty of storage down here. And they're all soft close. And you have more storage here. Nice cabinet space. And you have the desk there, which is excellent. Nice view, don't you think?
I like it.
It says it's a no frost freezer. I only believe it when I see it.
Yeah, right.
If I use it a few months. Alright. So these pull out and they close right on in. So you have that, and then you have two fixed shelves.
Right.
You have a wireless charging station right in between. And plenty of storage up here as well.
Yes.
And check out all this countertop space. I mean, for a vehicle that's under 30 feet,
I know.
They really put a lot of thought in this.
They did. It's a lot of counter space for a kitchen.
Storage, a lot of, yeah.
It really focuses on the kitchen, but yeah, you still have a nice living area.
And I do like this folds up.
Love this design.
Away, so it's really cool. And in the bathroom, you're going to see you have already built-in towel hooks, and you have a fold-down shelf above. I think it folds down. Looks like it might, but it's a shelf up there. A nice large shower.
Nice big fan.
Yeah. No floor vents. One thing I miss in our current RV.
No floor vents. Nice. That's good in the bathroom.
Yeah. One thing I miss in our current RV is drawer space. I have no drawers.
Yeah, no, this is nice.
And I really miss that. And then you have extra storage here.
Yep.
For towels and things.
Yep.
As well as a recessed medicine cabinet.
Absolutely.
So come in here. You do have one floor vent here in the center, but it's not obnoxious.
One little teeny vent.
Yep. So your option here is you can do a washer dryer here. This is access from the other side, so if you don't need the linen closet, you can hang things by taking these shelves out.
Right.
But then you have this.
Oh, those little hangers. Yeah.
Little hangers, which are nice.
Oh, nice drawers.
Yep. I think the drawers are all dovetailed.
This is a great, like a weekender for a couple.
Yeah, I don't know what the cargo carrying capacity is, but let's see what's underneath.
Yeah, some storage.
All right, there's a table.
There's a table under there.
And then you have drawers underneath on either side, accessible on either side.
Oh, okay.
And then there's accessible to the front storage space.
Oh, really?
There. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I do think that this is great having your plugs and your lights right there. And you have, of course, room. It's not a lot, but you have the room. And your headspace is pretty good, so I'm going to say this is a mid-profile.
So it's got two air conditioners, and you can see how the fit and finish is really, really nice.
Yeah, it's good.
They did the roofs up. They don't even need to put the little strips here because of the fit and finish is so good. You don't see a bunch of nail holes in their ceilings either.
No. So one thing I do like also is you're going to have your night shades.
And
and your day
Day
shades.
shades. That's really nice.
And I always have loved that. And having a door.
And those will open. That's an emergency
Correct.
window.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I saw this online and I was really excited to see it because honestly, for under 30 feet,
Yeah,
you're getting a lot.
you're getting a lot.
You're getting a lot. And I know a lot of people are going smaller nowadays because they want to make sure they can fit on the, state parks, national parks, and etc. without a lot of issues.
Yeah.
And this is definitely one to consider, especially if you work from home.
Yeah, you got a desk. Look at this counter space.
Look at this desk space. It's
Wow.
it's really well thought out.
I'm gonna just go across this counter space to show you. It's a nice Furrion stovetop. Just continues on all this space here. Wow, this is great.
It's a 4-position sliding desk table.
And there's actually drawers underneath that. Oh, it slides?
Yeah, I think it slides. I'm not sure. I don't want to break it.
Yeah, don't break it. You break it, you bought it.
So, but yeah, there's different ways to use it.
Okay.
So.
Let's go take a look at the outside.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Wow, nice storage space. Huge.
That's probably got storage space there. In there.
That opens up too, huh?
Yeah,
Is it locked?
I think it's locked.
Okay. And all your space under there.
Pretty good space for the.
Yeah, really nice space.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And they have an outside fridge down here.
Well, they do. That's true. Nice Cooper tires. Oh, look at this independent suspension. Looks like. What's this suspension on the here? No, it's not independent, but it's got shock absorbers and crossbars for the axles. They cross. Oh, they have springs, coil springs. That's nice. I like that a lot. Spares right there.
Yeah. So you've got a fresh water of 75 gallons, gray is 80, true is plus 40, black is 40. Again, it's under 30 feet, under 30 feet. It looks like you get about 3,000 cargo carrying capacity weight on this, which is really good for this size.
Yeah, no kidding.
And then you have this outdoor fridge.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. Really stout stairs too. Nice stairs. Let's take a look at the other side. Nice big slide. Wow. These are actual hydraulics. These are hydraulic lifts too. Okay.
Excellent.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.